this is Kristina from SUNation Energy, and today we're installing solar on my parents' roof. We've moved to the area about 22 years ago, and we've been talking about solar for a while, and we decided to go with SUNation for a number of reasons. One is that everything is done in-house. When we moved into the home, we didn't know exactly how old the roof was, but we've been here about 22 years, so we knew before we went solar that we would have to get a new roof first. Luckily, we were able to do that through SUNation along with the solar system, which just made everything so much easier. Plus, when we decide to add electric vehicles later, SUNation also takes care of EV chargers. So in the future, when we decide to add on, we can stay with the same SUNation family. I'm excited that my SUNation family gets to help out my actual family in helping them to save money on their electricity bills. As you can see, we have a number of AC units in the home, so during the summer, our AC bills get a little high. So we're excited to see how much we can save by going solar.